Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the Gen Y Hood channel. Today my wife is not here, so it's me. Will be explaining to you what my wife has developed for me. How to calculate my properties ROI, return on investment. If you're interested to use the calculator, find the links below. All right. Okay, so what is this property calculator for? So this is assuming you already have a property and you want to rent out for, let's say, 1 year. At the end of 1 year, how much do you get back, right? So if you're like me, don't know how to punch a calculator, this is where you'll find this Google Sheet calculator very useful. Okay, let me try to explain what is here, okay, based on my best understanding. Okay, number one, the thing you need to know is the ROI. Okay, what does it mean? So here, so my wife put for me lah, net rental. Okay, so this one equals to the annual rental. So the 1 year rental minus the interest that you pay for your mortgage minus the maintenance fees, right? You pay for your property for that 1 year. Of course, minus the property tax lah, you pay to the Zheng Hu lah, and then minus other expenses. I'll go through line by line, okay? And then divided by total cash outlay, which is equal to the down payment that you make for your property, plus the stamp duty, plus the legal fees lah, the basic things lah, for your property, okay? Okay, so assuming you pay for your property, purchase price, first we calculate the total cash outlay. So property purchase price 1.02 million, okay? Then the down payment, okay, you actually pay, right? Actually pay in cash 408,000. Maybe you use CPF lah, okay, but mostly cash, no matter what, it's your money. Okay, the stamp duty 25.2K, legal fees 2,500. So this is what you pay lah, 408 plus this one plus this one. Okay, so if you manage to find a tenant willing to pay 3.8 thousand, right, 3,800 monthly. So after 1 year, you see the formula there. So you get 45,600. Okay, now my wife say need to calculate the interest rate on loan. So this one is not the interest, the full interest you pay to the bank, but this one, we are assuming just the loan itself, right? Because you are paying the principal as well as the interest, right? So let's say 1%, right, for the interest. And then the annual interest cost, will then be 6,000. Of course, don't forget the maintenance fee lah, right? People help you throw the rubbish, maintain and if you stay in a condo, people help maintain the swimming pool, all these things, right? Barbecue pit, so on. You pay maintenance fee. And of course, just now I mentioned, right? Property tax, other expenses. So this one is any other things you are paying lah because of this property lah that you own. Like for example, I think last year, or early this year lah, I pay about $100+ to replace my lock. I cannot lock outside, so need to replace, right? Yeah. So some other things lah, your fire insurance, your pot break, washing machine repair lah. Okay, net roughly lah, 1,000. So total expenses 14.8K. So you can see the sum lah. We put in here, add together, high level. Okay. Yes. So the net rental here, okay, 30,800. So how you calculate? use total expenses. No, total the annual rental income that you have, of course. Then you minus away the expenses you pay for that year. So you get 30,000. And just now I explained, right? Total cash outlay 435,700. So this one is the on top, this part here. You pay down payment, stamp duty, legal fee. So net at the end of the day, wow, you are beating S&P 500. So you get 7%. Okay, so that's all lah. So this is a very easy calculator, and we have more tabs here, very hidden tabs here. So if you're keen, right, the different scenario, how about like decoupling, how about don't rent but sell, sell one buy two, this kind of concept, all need to calculate one. It's a different scenario, complicated. Okay, so follow us on YouTube channel, and we will be there soon, right? Still in development. Okay, thank you very much, and see you again. Bye bye.